Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix no audio and audio related issues in Filmora 12. I'm going to share with you what I've tested myself and worked for me, so let's jump right into the video. Now, the first method is always check inside Filmora. Maybe there's a bug or something like that and you just have to update Filmora. So in this case, make sure you update Filmora if there's a chance that's the issue. So just click here and check for updates. Make sure you update Filmora. Also, when you export a video, let's say we have this video, right? So when you export your video, make sure you have the sound is turned all the way to 100 or is not turned to 0. You know, it's not disable the audio. That could be the reason as well. Now also make sure here in sound open a volume mixer. Sometimes, you know, I have this problem is because I have this volume in a specific app, it turned all the way to 0. So that could be the reason as well. So make sure you have the right output as well. Maybe you don't hear any audio. If you choose the wrong output, then you won't be able to hear anything pretty much. So make sure you have the right the right input, the right output, and then the right input for your mic. You can also go to more sound settings, and here you can check if your headphones levels is turned to the right sound to the right level, is not turned to 0, and if it is the case for you, make sure you turn it to 50, you know, so you can hear something if you are in that situation. All right. So also when you export, make sure you set to export with your audio. You know, when you export your video, make sure you set the audio. Here we have a couple of settings here, right? But make sure here you check audio and it's set the right settings. So it's not MP3, it's MP4. You know, you can also set MP3. So make sure it's here is set MP4. And your audio is not turned to 0. So you go here to audio, is not turn off, or, you know, turn all the way to 0 or muted or whatever you want to call it, you know. So make sure here you have audio, and that's pretty much what you have to do. I really hope, guys, this video helped you. Make sure you subscribe. I really appreciate it. Would really help a lot, and I'll see you now in the next tutorial. Take care.